Hello guys, welcome to my latest video with Donruss Optic 2017-18 pack opening. I will be opening 20 packs in total, 10 packs of white and 10 packs of silver. Silver ones are probably from the mega box, white ones are from somewhere else. I'm not sure exactly where, but maybe doesn't say hobby, maybe just a fast break box or something. And see how it goes, which pile will be better, more efficient, more rookie productive, more base bets, or maybe some nice pulls, nice hits, maybe one of one, maybe signature card. See how it goes. Obviously, if you have any comments, don't forget to leave them below the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And soon we'll start opening. Obviously I do what I usually do. I'll cut open all the packs and then start opening them. So if you watch the older videos, I managed to get the first auto card, which came out of multi-packs. So maybe this time I managed to get not from multi-pack. Still hadn't managed to get any auto cards from the mega boxes or numbered purple parallels. Just the hollow prism cards. So let's start hunting for the Jason Tatum rookie hollow prism. Okay, first pack: Steph Curry, Karl Anthony Towns, straightaway purple rookie, Bijou Coin the normal rookie, and Sammy Ojuleye. Boston rookie, but not what everyone's after. Still nice to get those hits. That's probably a rookie pack. No, just a rookie in the front. Tony Bradley, Rodney Hood, Derrick Rose, rookie Kings for Portland, Zach Collins. Oh, it's here. Okay. Next pack: Jaylen Brown, DeAndre Jordan, Doug McDermott, and another purple rookie. That's Sammy Ojuleye. What odds? What on earth? Oh. Nice. Two pink, two purple, and both same guy. And another purple parallel. Okay. Miles Turner, Kemba Walker. The rookie is TJ Leaf. The purple parallel is for the Raptors is Kyle Lowry. They're not numbered. Nice. Free purple. Okay, a hollow card. Jamal Murray, DeMar DeRozan, the rookie is Terrence Ferguson, and for the Pelicans, hollow card is it's one more. Okay, not numbered, just says Prism. Okay, next pack: Iggy, Marcus Morris, safety, Kyle Lowry, and Court Kings, John Wall. I'm quite impressed by these packs. Okay, Jeremy Lamb, James Johnson, John Wall, Court Kings, Kyle Lowry. Okay, next pack. There's only 2 packs left, huh? Another purple. Okay, Jamal Murray, Carmelo, rookie is Lonzo. Nice. And the purple is for Boston, Al Horford. Not numbered, nothing, but nice. It's already 4 purples. Cool. Tony Bradley, rookie on front, and we have hollow. Rodney Hood, Carmelo, and how is Atlanta? Taurean Prince. Okay, cool. And the last pack. So we have, okay, 2 rookies. No, 1 rookie. Russell Westbrook, Eric Gordon, Hall Kings for the Lakers, Wilt Chamberlain, Mr. 100 points, and rated rookie is Frank Jackson. It's base, no nothing, and let's move on to the next 10 packs, loaded with rookies. So whites are done, now the silver ones. And we start from rookie pack. So Tyler Lydon, Rookie Kings for the Warriors, Jordan Bell, and we have red, yellow rookies. Jason Tatum. That's it, and Jordan Bell. So 2 Jordan Bells, Jason Tatum. Nice. Very nice. Cool. Jason Tatum. Okay, next pack. Mark Saul, Court Kings, Kristaps Porzingis. First rookie is Harry Giles. And the next is De'Aaron Fox. Cool. Okay, let's move on to the next pack. Ricky Rubio, Hall Kings, Dr. J. First rookie, Ante Zizic, and the next rookie is Joe Key. Cool. So, one more pack. MKG, Court Kings, KD. Nice. Put a sleeve aside. Here's a rookie. The rookie is Terrence Ferguson and Sterling Brown from Milwaukee. KD. KD goes to my collection. Okay, pack number 5. Is it? No. Yes, pack number 5. Karl Anthony Towns. Rookie Kings for the Kings. Harry Giles. First rookie is Jarrett Allen. Nice, and Sendarius Fornwell. So 2 rookies. Okay, one more pack. Terrence Ross, Hall Kings, Artis Gilmore. First rookie is Dwayne Bacon. Second one is Ike Anigbogu. So that's it, not many packs left. It's quite good. Did those packs. Okay, Mark Saul, Court Kings, CJ McCollum. First rookie, De'Aaron Fox, and the second is Caleb Swanigan. Both similar haircut style. Still actually hadn't find any hollow cards. No, one, but not from those. Says Gershon Yabusele. It's rookie pack. Rookie Kings for the Nets is Jarrett Allen. First rookie is Malik Monk. And the second rookie is Milos Teodosic. Okay, nice pair. 2 packs left, guys. So hopefully you enjoy this video as much as I do. So Jeremy Lamb, we have Court Kings Hollow. So we'll check the rookies. Tyler Lydon, OG Anunoby, and Court Kings, so probably Portland. No, Otto Porter Jr. Not numbered, obviously. For the Wizards. And the last pack, maybe Otto. That's a rookie pack. Rookie pack. Thomas Bryant, Rookie Kings for the Dallas. So it's probably Dennis Smith Jr. It is. Last rookie is Devon Reed and Gershon Yabusele. So that's it, guys. Jason Tatum, that's what we've been looking for. And some other nice inserts, loads of parallel cards, purple ones. Loads of rookies, as I mentioned before. Even though you get loads of rookies, still it's quite hard to get Jason Tatum card. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button and see you in my next videos.